Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of send message button not showing or not working with you on Roblox app. You will go to Roblox. In this page you will wait a moment until you find these games. Here in this page you can choose or select any game you want. For example, I will choose this game here. Then you will click in this sign to start your game. Then here in this page you will wait a moment again until this game showing to you like this, and you will click here play. Then you will go to this sign of chat, and here you will write any message you want, for example hi, and you will click in this sign. As you see, I don't have any problem with this sign of send messages, but if you have this problem you can go to this sign here. You can write any message and you will go to this sign here on your keyboard, and you will click here to send your message. There is also another solution. You will go to Play Store and you can install the Google board, as you see, or any keyboard you want on Google Play or Play Store, and then you will enter to Roblox again to send your message. And there is also another solution. You can go to Play Store. Another solution, if all these tips not working with you, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Roblox, and if you find here updates, you can update your app, or you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.